Children, glad to meet you again. Now we are going to study a new poem, Beyond the Universe. Beyond the Universe. Have you heard of the word universe? Yes, you might have studied in your social subject. Okay, now let's see some new words in this poem. Beyond. Beyond means outside the limits or reach. Next, universe. All existing matter and space. All existing matter and space. Amidst, surrounded by. Amidst, surrounded by. Countless. Have you heard of this word countless? Yes, innumerable. That cannot be counted. Marveled, wondered or astonished. Marveled, wondered or astonished. Marbles. I think you might have heard this word, marbles. Some of the boys might have heard this. Do you know this? Little balls of glass used as a plaything. Right. Hurdling. Racing over the barriers. Hurdling, racing over the barriers. Have you heard of hurdles? You might have seen in the field events. No, the runners used to cross the hurdles and run. That is called hurdles. Next, asteroids. Small rocky bodies, especially between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids, small rocky bodies, especially between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Fuss, difficulty. Fuss, difficulty. Giant. Giant means of very great size or superhuman size also we can say. Magnificent. Extremely beautiful. Magnificent, extremely beautiful. Voyage, long journey. Voyage, long journey. Children, now shall we read the poem? Beyond the Universe. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss to Neptune, the blue ice planet. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy to meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. Now, I explain each stanza. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Here in this poem, the person who writes may be a child like you. He dreams of flying away from the earth, surrounded by planets and innumerable stars. First, he stops at the planet next to Earth, that is Mars. He dreams how it could be having a home here which is away from our home, the Earth. He explains how Saturn and Jupiter looks like. Saturn has a ring and many moons. You might have studied in your social class. Next, he stops at Jupiter and wondered by its red storms, that is, the particles moves around it like marbles. Now the third stanza and fourth stanza. Huddling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant, further high I fly beyond the galaxy. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. He races over the asteroids, which are like belt, which are huddling, but he crossed Uranus without any difficulty. Next, he stops at Neptune, which is like the ice blue giant. He did not stop there also, he continues. When he travels, he wants to meet the Creator, who has created this magnificent universe, to take him beyond the Milky Way. He did not want to stop, but to go beyond many galaxies. It was a beautiful dream, isn't it, children? Like this, you also have some dreams. No, children? Okay. Shall we do an activity regarding this poem? Can you draw something about your dream like this? Okay. Now, I am going to give you some activity regarding the poem. Match the planets and the features. Match the planets and its features. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Blue ice giant, rolling on its axis. Red planet, ring and moons, red storm. You have to match the planet with its quality. Feature means quality. Okay. Next is answer the following questions. Where is the poet flying to in the dream? Where is the poet flying to in the dream? Second one, which planet has rings around it? Which planet has rings around it? Third one, which planet has a red storm? Which planet has red storm? Fourth one, why does the poet fly out of the universe? Why does the poet fly out of the universe? Fifth one, name the planets the poet flies through. Name the planets the poet flies through. That's all. You do your activities and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.